Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, I wanted to come to you today live. I've been posting, I've been talking a lot about inflation, and here's why, right? It's going to impact everything that is going on in your life. If you own a business, it's going to impact your business. As an individual, it's going to impact you as well, right? All it means is the value of our dollar is decreasing, and the cost of everything is going up. Now, the government report said 8.5% increase. All that means is things are 8.5% more expensive today as they were last month. But that's not an actual figure, right? If you look at gas is up almost 50%. If you look at certain foods, that's up well above 50%. If you run a business, think about what it's costing you to get your inventory and your supplies. So this stuff has a tremendous impact on everything that you do, right? And why is this so important to know about? Because you want to do everything you can to put yourself in a position to get through it. All right. Put yourself in the best position possible. Protect your business, protect your family. That's why I'm so adamant about this. That's why I keep coming back to this. Right. And I'll go into why all this shit happened. It all happened because we shut down the country and our government just wants to print more and more and more money, which makes it less valuable. 40% of all dollars created or printed have happened in the last 12 to 18 months. All right. So when you have that much supply, all right, it drops the prices, drops the value, right? So think about it. As this is happening, what's going up? Real estate's going up. Okay. Commercial real estate, residential real estate, oil, gas, food, your supplies, your inventory, metals, okay, crypto. All that stuff is increasing. All right. Everything that we are buying every single day, that price keeps going up and up and up. So, how do you protect yourself? Well, you want hard assets as an individual. I'll get into the business here in a little bit. But as an individual, you want hard assets like real estate, like crypto, like stocks. All right. That will help protect you. All right. Cash is always good to have a little bit on hand, but it's going to obviously keep decreasing. This inflation is not going away. Um, as a business, what can you do, right? How can you combat inflation? Well, the first thing you can do, you can raise your prices, all right? So everyone is sometimes squeamish about raising your prices. You have to communicate, you have to let your clients know, hey, we have to raise our prices. Our cost of goods is going up, right? So we have to pass that along to you. When you're doing this, what I like to do is I like to provide more value, right? See how else we can help our clients because if you're delivering a lot of value and you raise your prices, your clients are going to understand, hey, I get it. Prices going up everywhere. Next, you have to find a way to produce more revenue and income. All right. How do you do that? Well, you can invest in marketing. You can invest in more inventory. You can invest in more people, right? Hire some people, hire some salespeople to get people in the door, right? Your only goal for the next, call it 6 to 18 months while this is going on, and guys, it could last longer, okay? But your only goal while this is going on should be how do I keep increasing my business so I can combat inflation. If inflation's going up, let's say 8.5%, you want to increase your business 10, 20%, right? So you don't feel it. Uh, so look for ways to grow. How do you do it? Marketing, inventory, new products, new partnerships. All right. These are all things that'll help you. Add employees. The next thing you guys can do, you can borrow money. Rates are still low, but if you look right now, mortgages went from, let's say, 3% on the 30-year, and it's going up to 5%. So you're going to start seeing business, the cost of capital to borrow, meaning if you get a line of credit or if you get a loan, you're going to start to see that tick up too. So if you can get financing today, right? This isn't a pitch. I'm just telling you, if you can get financing today and utilize those funds to grow your business, okay, to get ahead of inflation, you're going to be better off. All right. And when is the best time to apply for financing? I say it all the time when you don't need it. Why? Because your credit's good, your cash flow is good. Okay. All the things that a bank or an underwriter are going to be looking at are going to be better when you apply for a line of credit or apply for an SBA loan when you don't need it. The other thing I would tell you, if you own a business or if you're a consumer, do not borrow any type of money that is not a fixed rate. Meaning, if it's a variable rate or adjustable rate, you don't want that because as inflation keeps going, they're gonna keep raising interest rates. So let's say you lock in a line of credit at 6% today, simple interest. It's gonna stay that way. If you get a variable SBA loan, all right, it could be at 4% or 5% today, and in 2 years that could be at 7 or 8%, which totally increases the payment. These are all things that you need to be aware of, things that you can do to protect yourself, protect your assets, and to grow your business through this. All right. If you guys have questions, just shoot me a message, comment below. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna keep doing these at least 3, 4 times a week. And if there's things that you want to know about, please drop them in the comments or message me. I'm happy to go over them. All right. Take care. I'll see you on the next one.